Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Don't be greedy and watch us without subscribing. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Jess. Hi everybody. Let's tune it out together.
Fatality. Finishment.
Who was that? Oh my god. It was him. It's not about mine. Mine.
It's not about mine.
It's not about mine.
It's not about mine. It's about yours.
It's about your stuff.
It's about yours, son. You know, it's the $20 shake and go wig for me. Just giving you very much synthetic. You know, eBay. It's not cute. It's unblended. It's unwanted. It's unvalid and undone. And I'm done. It's a boots.
Let's go back to eating. I need to stop this chicken thigh.
Ooh.
Let's roll
This
it.
is everything. This is everything.
The skin is so good.
That's what he said. Don't twist my words.
I did it to show my bitch.
Don't even try and change the dynamic of what's going on. She's a robber.
She's about to rob a bitch.
Yeah, she's robbed a bitch. She's robbed a bitch and she's sneaking out.
And she's like, and
she's
that's
putting
how
the
you
do
do
not
it.
disturb sign on there because someone's dead inside. Oh my God,
Girl, it just goes down so smoothly. Give me the fuck.
It's a 2 for me. Oh, wait, hold up, wait. Oh no, I thought that, you know how, you know when some of those girls and the toes hang over the front of the heel? I thought that's what she was serving us. It's just the front of the heel blended with the step. You're lucky, Sissy.
You're lucky,
You're lucky. Oh, good luck. Corona's not even real. You got a high chance of getting chlamydia, my dear. No.
Okay then, fine. I'm gonna give my first boot. I'm sorry. I just wish I could see more.
And the audacity, you're on his land.
Don't. I
See how they do? They come here, they live on your land, and then they try and boot you out.
Sissy! Oh fuck, I'm gonna delete this. I take it back, Sissy, I toot you. Fuck you. You. And shout out to my F45 crew. I mean,
It's been a long time since she's seen them.
she shouldn't be eating this, but she's actually in a 6-week challenge.
No, this is not KFC, this is Asian fried chicken. This is all over. Oh yeah.
Got this hidden spot.
It's crispy, it's still juicy, and it's everyone's favorite word, moist. It's a toot?
It's a 10 out of 10 for me, baby. For me, darling, it's a turd.
It's a bit.
Why?
Because I said.
He's giving me very power bottom energy.
Oh, gotta be careful in them white shorts, sis.
She is giving me, like, I'm waiting for my hubby to get home. He deserves the goodies. He's gonna eat my pussy. And he just got a pay rise, so he's gonna get all of it. But what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna give you a bit of leg. So when you walk in, that knock of yours gets hard straight away on the front entrance. And then I'm gonna flip that other leg open and then boom, I've got no panties on.
Bitch. Her Louis is Vuitton, darling.
Her Louis is Vuitton.
Look at
Like, who do you think you are?
Like, come on now.
Like,
what even is those lashes?
and those lips?
And those hands?
That's
Like,
so
what's
fake.
wrong? What's wrong with your hands?
She's so fake. Friday, girl. Friday, Friday, Tamasi. Friday, Tamasi, Friday. Spell your name, sis. Spell your name.
Hey. Wow. Go.
My stomach is going just as fast. Love you guys. guys.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
I love how we both got up, like automatically, and walked away.
Always was, always will be, Aboriginal land.